Hi guys, Sazul is back and today I'm going to teach you coding. In last video we learned the basics of HTML. In today's video we are going to focus on three things: making buttons, making links and formatting the text. And also I will tell you a bonus feature known as comments. By the way, today I'm using Visual Studio Code. It is an code editor which is used by many coders. It is very easy to use. You can also download it from the link given below in the description. It has many features including the extensions which is used to improve the efficiency. I downloaded an extension known as the live server. This live server extension, and if you install it, then after it loads, when you open your HTML page, you can get a go live button. When you hover, you can see click to run live server. If you click it, then live server will start. By default, it will start at port 5500. It has started, you can see, and now it's blank because my code is also blank. But I have my title, and it's there. So in this first, I will teach you what are comments. Comments are text which are ignored by computers so that we can help humans understand what is written there, what the code does. It helps you, the future you, or someone else who is reading your code. Comments start like this: uh, open angular bracket, exclamation mark, double minus, then two spaces, and then close with double minus and close angular bracket. Between those two spaces, you can write your comment like subscribe. And now if I save it, you can see this will reload automatically. So I write hello, it reload automatically, no need of reloading. That's why I choose to use this server. And you can see the subscribe text is not appearing on the screen. So this comment works, and you can see how to write it. And in Visual Studio Code, in any coding language, you can just you can just add comment by using the shortcut key control plus forward slash. You will automatically get a comment and you will be where to write the comment. And also while typing, you can see it will say, do you want to type this, or do you want to type this? It's also a very nice feature. First, we'll add buttons. You can see there's a button tag. Inside it, we can write hello. And if I save it, you can see there's a button called hello. And now we'll make a link using the anchor tag, A tag. This tag accepts some attributes. Attributes are additional things which you say while giving a command. Command is anchor, which means make a link, and its attribute is href, where it should take us. And attributes are given in the opening HTML bracket, uh, after giving a space, and href equals, and in double colon to write where it should take us, the full IP address. And I save it. Sometimes it stops working, we need to reload it manually sometimes. And see, the link is created, but where is it? Where is the link? It's because I didn't give text to it. Now if I see, we can see there's text. And also, yeah. Yes, here is the link. If I click it, it is taking me to youtube.com. See? And if you want a button in a link, then you might be thinking it's very easy. We can just do like this. href attributes button. Take me to YouTube. But no, it won't work because buttons don't have any href attribute. Instead, we can use a trick. As we surrounded head inside HTML, we can surround a button inside. We can surround a button inside this link. So if I save and refresh, you can see this button is a link. And with all the things done, to, we can end this video. And next video, we are going to learn another coding language known as JavaScript. It's written like this. And here we are going to write our JavaScript. This is all for this part. If you like this video, then like it and share with your friends and family members. If you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Till then, thank you.